In this video, you'll learn how to create a WordPress website using Namecheap. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your domain, hosting and WordPress installation, allowing you to build your online presence efficiently. Begin by navigating to namecheap.com. Once the homepage loads, locate the search bar where you can enter your desired domain name. After typing in your preferred domain, click the search icon. If the domain is available, you will see options for purchasing it. If not, you will be prompted to try a different name or choose from available alternatives. Ensure that you select a domain that reflects your brand or business. After selecting your domain, click the Add to Cart button next to the domain name. This will take you to the shopping cart page where you can review your selection. Verify that the domain registration period is set to your preference. Typically 1 year or more. Click the checkout button to proceed. You may need to create an account to log in if you already have one. Once your account is set up, enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Next, you will need to get hosting. On the Namecheap homepage, navigate to the hosting section and select shared hosting. Here, choose the Stellar plan, which is suitable for most beginners. Click the Get Started button under this plan. You will then be prompted to select your domain from a drop-down menu. Choose the domain you just purchased and continue through the setup process, confirming your hosting package and payment details. Once you've completed the hosting purchase, you will receive access to your cPanel. Log into your Namecheap account and find the dashboard or hosting list section. Click on the corresponding button for your domain. In the cPanel interface, scroll down to the software section and locate the Softaculous Apps installer icon. Click on it to open the Softaculous dashboard. In the Softaculous dashboard, find the WordPress icon and click on it. You will see an Install Now button. Click this button to start the WordPress installation process. Fill in the required fields such as your website name, description, and admin account details. After completing the form, click the Install button at the bottom. The installation may take a moment, and once it is complete, you will see a confirmation message along with the link to your WordPress admin area. To log into your WordPress site, navigate to yourdomain.com/wb-admin, enter the admin username and password you created during the installation. Once logged in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can select a theme by navigating to the Appearance section and clicking on Themes. Browse through the available options and click Install on any theme you wish to use. After installation, activate the theme to apply it to your site. To enhance your website's functionality, you can add plugins in the sidebar and then add new. Search for the plugins you need and click Install Now, followed by Activate for each one you want to use. This process will allow you to customize your site further with various features and tools. Finally, to enable free SSL for HTTPS, return to your cPanel dashboard. Scroll to the security section and find the Let's Encrypt SSL icon. Click on it and you will see a list of domains associated with your hosting account. Select your domain and click the Issue button. After a brief moment, you will receive a confirmation that SSL has been enabled. This step is crucial for securing your website and improving its credibility. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.